Good morning students. Welcome to online class. Today I am going to explain a new chapter, Lines and Angles, chapter 4. Okay. This is most important topic in geometry. Okay. Okay. Father of geometry. Who is the father of geometry? Father of geometry. Who is father of geometry? Euclid. He is the father of geometry, Euclid. Okay. What is the meaning of geometry? Geometry is derived from the two Greek words geo, metron. Geo means earth. Metron means measures. Measures of earth means so many things, so many, for example, blackboard measurements. In the earth, so many objects, so many objects, measures, that is called geometry. Okay, geometry. Geometry is derived from the two Greek words geo and metron. Geo means earth, metron means measures. Okay. In this, our topic is lines and angles. Okay. What do you mean by lines? What do you mean by angles? Types of angles, and so many we will learn in this class. First of all, point. This is the point. A point has no direction. A point has no direction. No area. No length. A point has no direction, no area, no length, because this is one point. How much area here? There is no area. If you take a one pencil, you like it a small dot, that is called a point. So point has no direction, no area, no length. These points is denoted by capital letters. Points are denoted by capital letters like such as A, B, C, D and so on. Okay, this is the introduction of point. If you join some points, how many points are there? So many points are joined to form a line. This is a line. If you join so many points, you will give the one line. A line has infinite points. It has no end point. It has no end points on both side directions. A line has no ending. It is continuously and it is also continuously. So a line has infinite points. It has no end points on both directions. Indefinitely. There is no end. Okay. It is denoted by for example, the point is A and this point is B. This is the symbol for AB line. It can be like given like this. This is called line AB or BA. AB or BA. Okay. Next, after line. If you the line, for example, this is one line A and this is one line B, point B. It is divided into two parts at O. A line can be divided into two parts. Okay, at O. Then each part is called a ray. Each point is called a ray. So, a ray, for example, this is OA ray. OA ray. This is OB ray. This is the symbol for ray. So, here, this is ending to OA ray and this is ending to OB ray. So, a ray has also infinitely points and a ray has one end point. One end point. One end point are indefinitely extend on one direction. It extends indefinitely on one direction. OA ray. So, extends. This is another ray OB. It is also extends. So, ray means a part of a line. Ray means a part of a line. It has one end point, that is initial point. That is initial point. Okay, and another side is no end point. It extends indefinitely in one direction. That is ray. And a line divided so many parts. If this is A and this is B, C, D. This and this and this. AB, BC, CD, or AC, or AD, BD. These are called line segments. A line can be divided so many parts. In such, this part and this part and this part is called a line segment. Line segment means in between two points. The length of in between two points is called a line segment. Okay. A line segment has infinitely points. It has two endpoints. It has two endpoints, that is A and B in the AB line segment. B and C are the line segments of BC. So, this is the symbol for line segment. Both sides arrows is there, that is line. Only one direction arrow is there, that is ray. No arrow mark is there, that is line segment. A line has no endpoints. A ray has one end point, one unend point. A line segment has two end points. Okay. AB line is also called as BA line, but OA ray is not equal to AO ray, because this is the meaning of O is the end point, A is extension. This means A is the end point, O is the extend point. So both are different, not equal. AB line is also equal to BA line, or AB line segment or BA line segment, but ray has OA ray not equal to AO ray. It is not denoted by OA or AO. Okay, this is the ray, point, ray, line and line segment. Okay, next. This is the circle. In the circle, a circle has how many degrees? A circle has how many degrees? 360 degrees. A circle has 360 degrees. The circle can be divided into 360 equal parts. A circle can be divided into 360 equal parts. Each part is called 1 degree. A circle can be divided into 360 equal parts. Then each part is called 1 degree. That is 1, 0. That is 1 degree. Okay. Next. Lines topic completed. Next, angles. The angle is formed by rotating a ray from an initial position to a terminal position. The angle is formed by a rotating ray from a initial ray. Initial ray means it cannot be moved. This is one initial ray. Initial ray. It's fixed ray. It's fixed. Okay, and another ray is moving from initial ray. The angle is formed by rotating a ray from a initial position to a. This is initial ray and this is terminating ray. Terminating ray. Okay, initial ray is standard ray, it cannot be moved, and the terminating ray is always moved like this. Okay, O, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Like OA is the initial ray. OB, OC, OD, OE, OF, OG and like that, these are terminating rays. Okay. The change of a ray from initial position to terminal position around the fixed point O. Okay. The change of a ray from initial position to here to like move to like this around the fixed point from O is called rotation, and measure of rotation is called this. From here to here, rotate. So this is called angle, and this is called angle, and this is called angle, and this is called angle. Initial point to terminating point from a fixed point, the rotation is called an angle. Okay. This is the fixed point. This is initial ray. This is moving ray. So this is terminating ray. The rotation is called angle. The rotation is called angle. The fixed point O. This is a OA ray and this is OB ray. The angle is denoted by angle AOB, AOB or BOA, angle BOA, or simply angle O. The angle is denoted by like this. Angle AOB, that part, or BOA, or this part. Angle O. Angle is denoted by like this. Types of angles. What are the types of angles? This is the measure of angle. In this measure of angle, first one is zero angle. Zero angle means the measure of an angle is equals to 0 degrees, then the angle is called zero angle. Means initial ray OA and terminating ray coincide. Okay. Initial ray and terminating ray both are coincide, then there is no angle formed. So that is zero angle. Okay. Next. Second one is right angle. Right angle means the measure of an angle is 90 degrees. This is 0 degrees is called a zero angle. 90 degrees. 90 degrees. The measure of an angle is 90 degrees. Then the angle is called right angle. So this is the initial ray. This is 90 degrees. For example, this one and this one. This is 90 degrees. One vertical and one horizontal lines coincide at one place. That is called, that angle is 90 degrees. Or here also 90 degrees. Or this corner also 90 degrees. And this corner also 90 degrees. That angle is called right angle. Okay. Next. Third one is straight angle. Straight angle means this is initial ray and opposite to initial ray. This is O and B. Opposite direction. So form an angle. This is called straight angle. Our protractor. Protractor is a straight angle. So protractor contains how many degrees? 180 degrees. The measure of an angle is 180 degrees. Then the angle is called straight angle. 180 degrees. Straight angle means 180 degrees. The next one is, fourth one is reflex angle. Reflex angle means more than 180 degrees. More than 180 degrees. More than 180 degrees means this is initial ray OA. This is initial ray towards like this. This is straight angle 180 degrees. More than 180 degrees. This angle is called reflex angle. Reflex angle means more than 180. From 181 onwards up to 360. That angle is called 180 degrees less than or equals to theta less than or equals to 360 degrees. Between 180 and 360, that is called reflex angle. Okay. And fifth one is complete angle. Complete angle. Complete angle means 360 degrees. That means this is initial ray. This initial ray to the terminating ray moves to and coincide with the same ray, same initial ray B. This is B and OA ray and OB ray are coincide. Then here formed one circle. A circle has already written 360 degrees. So complete angle is equals to 360 degrees. So 0 degree means 0 angle, 90 degrees means right angle, 180 degrees means straight angle, more than 180 reflex angle, more than 180 reflex angle, 360 degrees complete angle. What about in between 0 and 90? In between 0 and 90, acute angle. Acute angle. Acute angle means the measure of an angle is 0 degrees less than theta less than 90 degrees. That angle is called acute angle. Less than 90 degrees, greater than 0 degrees. Greater than 0 degrees, less than 90 degrees, then that angle is called acute angle. Acute angle means OA. This is acute angle. Okay, actually this is 90 degrees. This angle is 90 degrees. So less than 90 and more than 0 degrees. So this angle is called acute angle. And what about 90 and 180? 90 and 180 in between. Okay. This is 180 degrees and this is 90 degrees. And what about this in between these angles? From more than 90 degrees less than theta less than 180 degrees. More than 90 degrees less than 180 degrees is called obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. More than 90 degrees less than 180 degrees is called obtuse angle. Okay, once again 0 degree 0 angle. Okay, 0 degrees to 90 degrees in between, that is called acute angle. Exactly 90 degrees. 90 degrees is called right angle. Okay, 90 degrees less than theta less than 180 degrees is called obtuse angle. Okay, exactly 180 degrees is called straight angle. Okay, more than 180 degrees. More than 180 degrees are from 180 degrees less than theta less than 360 degrees is called reflex angle, and 360 degrees is called complete angle. These are the types of angles. Okay students, tomorrow we will discuss about next introduction part. Thank you.